Hello children, in the first video I gave you introduction of the chapter rational number, and in the second one I explained how to solve questions of exercise 1.1, and today I will explain exercise 1.2 and try these. First I am taking try these, page number 13. Question is find using distributivity. Question 7 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5 into 5 upon 12. To solve this question, we have to use distributive property. So according to the question, we will use distributive property. And to use distributive property, in the first step, we will take 7 by 5 common. And in the bracket, minus 3 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12 will come. And in the next step, after solving the first step, we get 7 by into minus 3 plus 5 upon 12. And after this step, 7 upon 5 minus 3 plus 5, 2 upon 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 7 into 1, 7, and 5 into 6, 30. 7 upon 30 comes as answer. Now I'll start exercise 1.2, page 20. The first question of this exercise is represent these numbers on the number line. The first rational number which we have to show on number line, that is 7 upon 4. To show this rational number on number line, we will draw a number line, and on the number line we will take 0. As you can see, 7 by 4 is a positive rational number, so we will show it on the right side of the 0. To show it on the right side of 0, first we will show 1. To show 1, we will divide 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. And value of one small part is equals to 1 upon 4. So this sign shows 1 by 4. This point shows 2 by 4. From here to here, 3 by 4. From this point to this point, 4 by 4. And 4 by 4 is equals to 1. But we want to show 7 upon 4. And it is 4 by 4. So, after 4 by 4, we can show 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4. Now, we are getting 7 upon 4, and after 7 upon 4, what comes? 8 upon 4, which is equals to 2. And this 7 upon 4, we have represented according to the demand of the question. Now, you see question number 2. Represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. Here you can see all the three numbers are negative rationals. It means you have to represent these three rational numbers on the left side of the 0. So for this question also you will draw a number line, and then you will show first 0 and after showing 0, you will divide 0 to minus 1 into 11 equal parts, and value of one small part is equals to minus 1 upon 11. You can see I have divided it in 11 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And from 0 to this point, this minus 11, 1 upon 11 shows. And from here to point P, minus 2 upon 11. And here it shows minus 3 upon 11, minus 4 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 6 upon 11, minus 7 upon 11, minus 8 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11, minus 10 upon 11, minus 11 upon 11, which is equals to minus 1. But in this question, you want to show only minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11. So, like this, you will show these three numbers. And after this, you will give your answer. Here, P point represents minus 2 upon 11, Q represents minus 5 upon 11, and R is representing minus 9 upon 11. Now, the third question. Third question is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. The 5 rational numbers is smaller than 2 are 1 smaller than 2, 1 by 2 is smaller than 2, 0 is also a rational number which is smaller than 2, minus 1 by 2 is smaller than 2, and the minus 1 is also smaller than 2. So, the answer of this question is 5 rational numbers smaller than 2 are 1, 1 upon 2, 0, minus 1 upon 2, and minus 1. Now, I'll tell how to solve question number 4. Question 4 is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Here 1 is a negative rational number and the next given rational number is positive. We have to find here 10 rational numbers between them. To write rational numbers between them, first we will make the denominator same. You can see that its denominator is 5 and its denominator is 2. So we will make the denominator same. So first you will write converting the given rational numbers with the same denominator. You know that to make denominators same, what we do? We take LCM of the denominators. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Now first we will take first rational number minus 2 upon 5 and second rational number 1 upon 2. Now as you can see, we have to make denominator 10. To make 5 10, we will multiply and you will make multiplier also by 2. Now after multiplying numerator and denominator both by 2, we get minus 4 and here 5 to the 10. Minus 4 upon 10. Now we will make denominator 10 of the rational number 1 by 2. To make denominator 10, we will multiply this 2 with 5 and and 1 with 5. And we get 5 upon 10. Now you can see both the denominators are same. You want to write 10 rational number. Now you will think, can you get 10 rational numbers between -4 and 5? Now let us see. -3, -2, -1, 0 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10. You can see here you are getting only 8 rational numbers. So, but according to the question, you want to write 10 rational numbers. But between -4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, only 8 rational numbers are coming. Now, problem comes that how you will write 10 rational numbers. To write 10 rational numbers, now we will write these two fractions again. -2 upon 5, you have converted into -4 upon 10, and 1 upon 2 you have converted in 5 upon 10. Now we will write their equivalent fraction. To write in equivalent fraction, first we will make denominator 20. To make denominator 20, we will multiply 10 by 2 and this 10 also by 2. And numerator also you will multiply with 2. Then -4 into 2 and 10 into 2. What is coming? -8 upon 20. And in this step, 5 into 2, 10 into 2 is equals to 10 upon 20. Now we will see that we are getting 10 rational numbers between them or not. Now let us see. -8 upon 20 we will not take because we have to write numbers between -8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. So see, -7 upon 20, -6 upon 20, -5 upon 20, -4 upon 20, -3 upon 20, -2 upon 20, -1 upon 20, 0 upon 20, 1 upon 20 and 2 upon 20. You can see that very easily you can get 10 rational numbers between them. So you can write in your answer 10 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 by 2. -2 upon 5 and 1 by 2 are -7 upon 20, -6 upon 20, -5 upon 20, -4 upon 20, -3 upon 20, -2 upon 20, -1 upon 20, 0 upon 20, 1 upon 20 and 2 upon 20. Okay. Now we'll start question number 5. Question number also we have to solve like question number 4. Here you have to write 5 rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. The second part of this question I am explaining. Question is find 5 rational numbers between -3 5 upon 3. In the same way, we will convert the given rational numbers with the same denominator. We will take LCM of 2, 3. We will get 6. Means we have to make denominator 6. To make denominator 6 of the rational number -3 by 2, we will multiply this 2 with 3 and we will multiply numerator also with 3, and after the multiplication we get minus 3 into 3 minus 9, 2 into 3 6 is equals to minus 9 upon 6. Now the second rational number 5 upon 3, we will make its denominator 6. To make its denominator 6, we will multiply denominator with 2 and numerator also with 2. And after solving this, we get 10 upon 6. As you can see that we have to write 5 rational numbers. Now we will see we will get 5 rational numbers or not. Minus 8 between minus 9 and 10. What comes? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see many numbers we can get between them. Hence, 5 rational numbers between minus 9 by 6 and minus 10 by 6 are minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6. But you have to write rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So in your answer you will write 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are these numbers. Now the last question, which now I am going to explain you. Here you have to find one rational number between the given two rational numbers. If you want to find one rational number between any two given rational numbers, one more method you can use. If x and y are two rational numbers and this x is less than y, then to find one rational number between x and y, we can do this thing. 1 by 2 into x plus y is a rational number between x and y. So you can see here two rational numbers, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, and we have to find a rational number between them. So this formula we will use. Here x is 1 by 4 and y is 1 by 3. So the required rational number will be 1 by 2 into whole 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into here 12 LCM, and 12 divided by 4, 3, and 3 into 1, 3. 12 divided by 3, 4, and 4 into 1, 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7 upon 12, and 1 into 7, 7, and 2 into 12, 24. So the answer is 7 upon 24. Means 7 upon 24 lies between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. Now I have explained you exercise 1.2 also, and I hope you will practice both the exercises properly. You will learn all the properties, and rest part of the questions also you will try yourself. Okay, thank you.